Hi guys, today our topic is nested if else. Nested if else, it is not a extra topic, it is a extension of if else topic. If you know the if else topic, it is very easy topic. Okay, what is the definition of nested if else? Nested if else means we write if else statements inside the if block or inside the else block. That's it. It is a simple. We can write the if else statement inside the if block or inside the else block. We can write in n number of times. For example, there is a if block, again we can write if block inside the if block, again we can write if block inside the if block. In that way we can write n number of times. Okay, let's see in practical manner. Yeah, I'm my value is 47. My value is 47. I'm writing simple if block. Yeah, I'm write a small program on if else here. So here I value is 47. 47 means I 47 less than the 50. So it executes the if block. So it prints the value is less than 10. Let's check it. Yeah, it prints the value is less than 50. This is if and else topic. So what is nested if else means I write if else inside the if block. For that way, here let's see, it is actually this is firstly it is simple if else. I write if else statement inside the if block. I write if else statement inside the else block. In that way we can write if else statements inside the if block and inside the else block. For example, I am giving I equals to 47. Let's say I want 34. So I am taking, let's say I value is 34. So 34 less than the 50. So it enters into the this if block. Again here checks the value 34 greater than 20. Yeah, again it is correct. So it enters into the if block. So it prints the value is greater than 20. Let's see, let's check it. Yeah, it prints the 20. For example, I am taking I value is 80. I value is 80. Then here 80 less than 50. So the condition is here the 80 less than 50. So the condition is failed. So the condition is fails means it skips this else if block. So it enters into this else block. Again here check the value. Here 80 greater than 70. So the condition is true. The condition is true means it prints the value is greater than 70. Yeah, it prints the value is greater than 70. Again we can write if else statements inside the if block and inside the else block. Let's check it out. Yeah, here I am writing if else statements inside the if block. For example, the value is 80. So here it is the main if. So it is the first if. So here main if means this is the main if, this is the main if, and this is the main else, right? So it check the condition here. If I less than 50, so it is a false condition. So it skips this all conditions because it is if block. It is all in main if. So it skips the if block and coming to the else block. So 80 greater than 70. So the condition is true. it skip this else block and execute this if block. Again it enters into the this if block. It prints the value is greater than 70. Again there is a if block inside this if block. So 80% 2, it means it is checking the even or odd number. So it is a even number, so it prints it is an even number, so it prints value is greater than 70 and then it is a even number. So let's check it out. Yeah, it prints the value is greater than 70 and it is even number. Enters into the main else block, so it check the condition is false, so it enters into the main else. Then again there is a if else block, so again it check the condition is true, so enters into the if block. Again there is a if else, again it check the condition. In that way we write the if else, again we write the if else block inside the if else based on our requirement. That's it. It is a simple topic. Thank you, and please subscribe. If you don't know about if else topic, please watch if else topic which is in my channel.